Hello, welcome to a new video. So, in this video, we are going to look at one of our proof of concepts or MVP that we have developed, where we are actually using AI to generate carousel content. That way, you can generate much more unique content in a much faster phase for your social media handling and other branding purposes that you have. And so we'll just go over first the main pain points that any particular organization, brand, or even designers face when creating a carousel. So the content creation by itself is a very time consuming process. And then we have the design tools. So we have tools like Figma, Canvas, etc., or any other Adobe products that you use to generate these kind of carousel content. So learning these tools again is hard, and it's a very big learning curve for anyone who is new and want to do a quick social media or personal branding to do the carousel thing. Then comes the social posting part. So when posting in social media, you have to be really careful of the words you use and other things that you have to keep in mind, and it should again kind of flow in the right manner for especially for carousels, because one slide is always tied to another. Then the AI tools that is available in the market currently again only help you partially with creating these set of carousels. So we have tried to address these pain points in our carousel apps. So what our solution really does is that we use AI to generate the content for every slide. That way we can ensure all the slides and content or whatever text format it's there is connected with one another and does not feel like it's a separate thing. Then we have some pre-designed templates that are optimized for certain platforms, for Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter for now. Then we have an easy UI where the user can easily drag and drop and edit different things. And then we have the social posting part where the user can connect currently to a LinkedIn account and post the carousel generated onto the LinkedIn directly without having to manually download it and post it. So you can do all the things within the app. Now let us have a look at our app. So this is our app that we have built. So you can again log in and log out. So I currently logged into my account. So once you are into your account, you can go to the create carousel part where we have our pre-designed templates which we have designed it for you. Again, these are just very basic templates which we have defined. Going forward, there will be many more or much more templates for you to choose from, and ability to create your own templates as well. So first, what you will have to do is that select the platform which you are targeting. So Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. The main reason we are asking for that is that each platform supports its own size of carousel that it supports. So, for example, LinkedIn supports a squarer size of 6x6, whereas LinkedIn supports 7.5 to 10 inch size of carousel, and Twitter supports 7 into 8 inches. So let us say I'm going to post it on LinkedIn. Now, after selecting the platform which I want to use, I'm just going to select the template which I want. So once you select the template, you will be taken to the template editor page. So where you can edit the templates according to your need. So if you see here, you have the text here. So it's you can easily drag and drop, adjust the shape and size, etc. over here, and you can edit the text over here. Then you can also the change color of the text if you want. Then the text styling parts come, so you can easily change the font here, font style as well, and then alignment to center if you require it, and any decoration like underline or line through. So these are just some basic settings we have provided for now. Again, going forward, we are planning to add more customization into our app, and then also then you can rotate this particular text as well. and again you can rotate it from here as well, and from here as well. So these are the different editing options you have. Then we can add shapes into the app as well. So let us say I want to add a rectangle here. So I can just add a rectangle over here, change the color. Then I can again change the stroke color as well to change the border area, and again change the size of the border area if required as well. Then again, you can do the same thing of rotating and resizing in the editor as well. Then we also provide an option to add a circle as a shape here. Again, these are just some basic text or shapes which we have added so far, but going forward, we are planning to add much more into that as well. So once again, you are done with this particular set of slides after editing. Then before posting before posting, you just can name your particular carousel in whatever you want. So you can have the title and the description you want for this particular carousel. Again, do make sure to type whatever you want, because these are the contents that will go onto the LinkedIn app as well. So the title will go as the main heading, and the description will go above the carousel as well in the LinkedIn post. So make sure to type it the relevant content and not leave it at the default. Then you have the generate with AI option which you have here. So let us say I want to generate a carousel. So you just type in the ID of the carousel you want to generate and just click on. Yeah, so once it generates the content, so you will be able to see it directly being added onto the template. So this is the first two sections that it added. Then over here it added this particular content. So as you can see, each are connected to one and another, and uh, you can again tie up all the things in a much neater way. So again, once you are done with editing the template, you can just save the template over here and then export it as PPT if you want to edit it locally as well, or else if you want to directly post it on LinkedIn as well, you can just confirm and post it on LinkedIn. So it will directly post it onto your LinkedIn account. But again, before posting, do make sure to go to your user section and connect the LinkedIn account as well. So for now we are just providing connection with LinkedIn again, but going forward we are planning to add the Instagram and as well as Twitter connections as well. So this is the main overview of the app that can help you generate the carousels in a much better way. Now let us discuss the main use cases that you can mainly use this app. So for example, let us say you are having your own education platform or YouTube channel where you are providing courses or some education content. So you can easily build such carousels and share it on Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram to help again grow your audience reach. Then again, people who are more focused on LinkedIn can use the LinkedIn part and generate the content for them. Then e-commerce platform can easily generate the carousels. Then again, if you want to generate some kind of data storytelling where you are explaining some data in a very good storytelling format, again you can generate such carousels as well using our platform. And again, for personal branding and personal creators who want to reach out or increase their personal branding, can also use our AI carousel app to enhance their personal branding and quickly generate the content, because a single person to generate such carousel, it is going to take time, and with our app they can easily reduce the time you need to invest to generate such carousel content. So that's the main overview of the product or the MVP which we have built. So again, if you want to provide some kind of feedback or suggestion, again, feel free to provide. And if you want to contact us, you can just mail on contact@codersarts.com. And again, feel free to visit our website or connect through any one of our social accounts as well, to reach out to us. And if you want to build this product for your own, or if you want to build some kind of more proof of concept, similar use cases or tied to your use case specifically as well. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.